Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about useEffect in React. So useEffect is just an inbuilt hook which React application gives us for us to use to make side effects for making API calls. The hook uh, used when we are writing asynchronous coding or scripting. So we're gonna see a quick uh, time clock application just so that I can give you a demo on how this useEffect works. So I have just started a next application here. So I'm just gonna go and just clear off all whatever the jargon they put it inside, and let me render a simple React and see how it looks. Okay, I guess we don't need all the CSS stuff. All we need right now is a clean React Next app. So we can just start. Yeah, I think in the last video I have talked about use state. So we can just initialize a use state. For example, let's say time, and set time uses the use state. And this use state is going to take a string inside, and we can just set the initial value as the time, like this. Locale time string, this is it. So we can process as a function right here. So we can take this, start with the JSX tags to write our UI side of the code. So I can start a div like this, and I can put my h1 something like this. So inside it I can put some regular CSS stuff just for using something. So we can give max width as 500 px, and margin is going to be 50 px auto, and can do some text align center. This looks good. And below that we can just take a p tag and put our time inside like this. Do some regular styling here. So it can be 24. It can be bold. Okay. So now is the time for us to use our useEffect. So the syntax for useEffect goes something like this. So we're gonna import that from React, and this useEffect is gonna take a callback function inside with an empty dependency array at the end of it. All we're now going to do is use a set interval callback function, or yes, set interval callback function inside this. So we're gonna set a timer like this with set interval. So this is a callback function. So it takes another function as its argument. So we can just give a time like say 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. And we're gonna set our time inside. So this is going to be new date string like this. I think this looks good. So I think it's showing some error. Okay, I think we should import use state at the top of the hierarchy. Since we are using client-side operations, mandatory for us to use client at the top of there. Okay, there you go. It's a live clock and it is incrementing like 1 second, which is since we are given like 1000 milliseconds time interval, so it's just increasing the time clock by 1 second. So I guess this does simple. It takes a callback function inside and it is emitting the value in the interval of 1 second. So it is a side effect and we're using useEffect here. See you guys in the next video.